Okay, so based on influencer Hannah, I got my delivery. The box is very cute. It says a world beyond and fragile, but yeah, the box is upside down. Okay, you see, it says beyond the vine, so it's upside down. A little bit bent. Let's hope the things inside are fine. Let's see what the Hannah influenced me to buy. I see the free item. Oh, it's like IKEA bag material. Oh, but it's so cute. Pokemon. It's very cute. I mean, it's really an IKEA bag. Okay, and then we have this, which is like stuck together. How interesting. It says Beyond the Vines, embossed sticker. Paper bag in a cardboard box, but okay. Sure. It is constantly flipping and flopping. What is this? Okay, inside is teal, empty. So there was a box, a paper bag. It says A World Beyond. I love BTV, whatever. And now a tote bag that says good design, accessible to all, non-woven. Beyond the Vines. Okay, I see my two items. They are tiny. They are tiny. I'm very happy about it. Okay. I think I'll start with this because I need more hands for that. Look! It's the mini dumpling with the pika pika. Pika pika. Pika pika. Pika 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 pika. Okay, anyways, I will be back. Okay, so I have pulled the dumpling bag out of the little pouch. And this is the tag. So at the back it says it's for sale in Singapore only. Yeah, price tag. And they are all attached on this little hook. So I don't actually have to cut it. I can just like unbutton and pull it out. And after that I can use it to hook other things. And yes, the mini dumpling bag is so cute. Yeah, and little handles. As well as the long strap. So I can wear it crossbody. Which is what I'm going to do it most of the time. Yeah. So inside is relatively simple. Just simple empty dumpling bag. Very cute. Now this one is the glass cup, which I believe is now sold out. Yeah, and of course we all know which design I bought. Yeah, it was wrapped in bubble wrap, so I took the liberty of removing that bubble wrap. And now the inside. Oh, so pretty. My favorite Charizard. Borosilicate though. Ah, so pretty. So all the deeds about Charizard is number 6 in the Pokédex. Fire flying type, ability blaze, 1.7 meters, 90.5 kilos. A product designed at the studio Beyond the Vines. It's so cute. It's a beaker glass. Ah! No, I normally don't really like this shape, but it's so cute. It's a Charizard. Okay, so thank you to influencer Hannah for influencing me to buy these things. And bye-bye.